Hey, folks, how y'all doing? Canal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Hope everybody had a great day. Another flat day, pretty much in the markets. We started taking the dump, back later in the day due to some rumors on this fiscal cliff stuff. That stuff is to be expected, guys. One of the things that happens, right, when you're nearing big political things, when there's a little bit of uncertainty, the rumor mill will be going full force. Today there'll be a rumor or a speech by Harry Reid saying, things aren't going well. And then, tomorrow, if the markets are down, they'll put out another one that says, hey, we're making a ton of progress. Republicans are willing to give in, blah, blah, blah. And so that rumor mill will thrust apart the market back and forth a little bit. Besides, that the dip that came from that, the market itself was behaving pretty nicely for most of the day, and we're just on a technical level, really just digesting this gigantic move that we've made here. And my thinking is if we can kind of hold above this area for now, I'll give the benefit of the doubt to the bulls short term. Now, ideally, we wouldn't. It wasn't good that the market closed on lows. We would like to see some late day buying into the market, but overall, to me, it's just looked like a couple of days of consolidation. The mark that I'm kind of watching is that kind of like that S&P 1410. It seems to be kind of the area that we've been stalling out at the last few days. If you're looking at like say a 5-minute, 3-day chart, I'd keep an eye out on that. If we can get back above 1410, we'll probably make a run to this 50-day moving average, and that'll be some heavy resistance here at S&P 1425. We're still overbought, right? So we still got to work that off. Another day or two of digestion should do it. And then we'll see what happens after that. In the meantime, a lot of stocks are firing, and there's still a lot of stuff to play. Solars, FSLR will be in play tomorrow, as you can see here. We had and it closed above 26, which is important. We had a very key breakout here on a technical level that we had been tapping multiple times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It's been spanning over multiple months since August. It was a key breakout today. We rushed to about 27, and then it tanked really quick back down to 26. But we closed above the key level. There was a nice volume push in it. I think that this one will probably have legs, or at least be in play for day trades. Once a daily chart triggers, then what you can do is, as long as it's still in the zone, you can keep it up for day trades by using smaller term time frames. Keep an eye on LDK. This thing is, right at the 50-day moving average. It tried to pop it before and then failed. It looks much more healthy this time around. If FSLR is going, this thing might get picked up. OCZ finally broke over the 20-day moving average for the first time in multiple months here, and had a really nice day. On watch for some type of continuation trade. This stock is probably going to zero, guys. So, if anything, we're just looking for a quick run. A setup like this could often run to $2 if you can get a proper intraday setup to align with it. AEZS, this one looks like it's bottomed out a little bit after its run from 5. We're kind of flagging right over this 20-day moving average. If biotechs go, this might be something worth watching here. PRMW, still just watching it to see if it can kind of come out of this consolidation. It's just flagging it, but it needs a little bit of a catalyst, it seems. Court still watching this 150 mark. It's just kind of hanging in there, but it's getting ready for a move. Gevo, another stock that's really, really basing out here. I think that this one's got a powerful snap in it. I'm not sure of the trigger yet, but I've been stalking it. Kirks, watch the 3 mark here. We're flagging for a couple days. Any break over this 3 should cut it soon. CMVT, I got a 350 trigger on this one for a potential day trade. SREV had a nice little pop today. It's starting to bottom out here. This one looks like we've got a potential squeeze in it. ANR doing a little bit of a bear flag right here. If it can't hold 7, I think that this one could go lower down to 6 relatively quickly. Sand, just a dead cat bounce the last few days right into a resistance level. Looking for a potential short in this soon. GMCR had blowout earnings. It's up in space now, so this thing will be in play for day trades, as it's got a huge gapper tomorrow. And then Trip, I like this consolidation.